Hello and welcome back to another easy and tasty simple recipe by Easy Tasty by Rasmina. As per most of your requests, I have come with my voice. So I hope you will enjoy watching my video with my voice. Today's recipe is about hummus. It's very simple and very popular, and it is originated from the Middle East. So anybody who's watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification for my new videos. So let's see what all are needed to make this delicious dip. All you need is tahini, 1 garlic clove, olive oil, yogurt, cooked chickpeas. I have soaked it overnight and cooked, and salt. To a mixer, add in 1 cup of cooked chickpeas. I have soaked it overnight and pressure cookered it. Then add in 1 garlic clove and 5 tablespoons of tahini sauce. Tahini is the ground sesame seeds paste. I have added almost 5 tablespoons of tahini sauce to this. And then I have used a not so common ingredient, that is 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Mostly people replace, or most common ingredient here is the lemon juice, and salt as per taste. I have added yogurt so that is for the extra creaminess. And then drizzle 1 tablespoon of olive oil to it and pulse it to a fine and smooth texture. If you find it difficult, you can even add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water to get the smooth consistency. So our hummus is ready. It's thick and creamy, and it can be enjoyed with anything and everything. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned to the space for more easy and tasty recipes. Please do try this version at your home and send in your feedbacks in the comment box.